We have a problem. Actually, we have a few of them. Okay, a lot of them. But the biggest issue of all?
We can't agree on a common set of facts. Heck, we don't even know how to talk to one another. And we can't be bothered to listen to one another. No wonder we can't find solutions to the issues that we face. We need to find a common starting point, to listen and learn, to challenge and be challenged, to think and to act. How? Where?
Right here. Nature is our common humanity. It's life. But for too many, we're losing our connection to nature, forgetting that we're part of nature. When we lack nature literacy, we lack an understanding of how our world works. And when we don't understand our place in this system, it becomes harder to understand our place in this one or this one.
And when we struggle to understand why we matter, we feel powerless to change what matters. To us, to each other. That's when we get apathetic, when we get hopeless and frustrated and scared and angry. And that's when we end up divided as a society and on the very issues that should unite us.
We need our society to be nature literate. But nature literacy isn't just the outdoors. It's not just a park. It's not just a bear. Nature is the starting place. It's the metaphor, the door to so much more.
This is Nature Labs. Today we're testing and editing our all-written version of Nature Labs with select students and teachers from across the country. And next year, we aim to finish our biggest goal, an all-audio and all-video version of Nature Labs, releasing the platform to high schools everywhere, both a la carte for a range of subjects and grades, or as a plug-and-play platform focused on grade 10 science, English, careers, art, and social studies.
Nature Labs has been a journey.
And we've been thrown a few curveballs along the way.
And as proud as we are for having come as far as we have, we're not at the finish line yet.
If you believe in what we're building, if you believe in the importance of nature literacy, if you believe in the power of education to foster critical and creative thinking, if you believe in cultivating good citizenship, if you believe in trying something new and bold, even if imperfect, stand with us, won't you?
Help us spread the word to educators. Join our community of champions on Patreon.
We can't do this alone. We need your help to keep going, to keep building, to keep trying. And with your help, together we can help the next generation bridge our divides, replace hopelessness with bravery, and empower them to find a better balance for people, for nature, for all.